Alright, what's up guys? I thought I'd make a quick video on my long-term position in Apple. So, I guess it could be long-term, I'm not sure yet, but I just want to make sure that you guys are understanding why I bought this. The reason I bought Apple is not because of the iPhone, it's not because of the Apple Watch, it's not because of all that. It's because of the RSI was letting me know that this company was oversold back in November, and I held it all the way into now, which is now it's saying that it's overbought, which means there is a lot of buyers coming in buying at this price right here at 122.44, or it might be buy, or they might be buying at they might have started buying at 118. So there's a lot of people coming in and buying this thing. There might be something happening when they report their earnings, but until they report their earnings, I have put in my stop loss at 120. But I'm not sure if I should cancel this order or not, because looking at Apple, looking how it does, looking at how people are doubting this thing. I mean, people were once doubting this thing when it was back at $89. Now look at it now. So I don't want to be losing any money, but at the same time, I want to be able to take some profits off of the table. So looking at the technicals, I will take some money off of the table if this thing breaks below 120. I want to be able to, secure some money in, and then, reposition myself so when there is a rally, or when it's being oversold again, I just simply just jump back in and ride this thing right back up. So until it reports earnings, you're going to see this thing trade sideways. And what I mean by trade sideways, it's just going to walk a straight line. It's not, it's not really going to be jumping up and down. It's just going to be, kind of up and down type of thing. Very, very small moves, but at the same time, it's going to be waiting on news. That's the whole point of this thing. Apple's going to be waiting on news to move the stock. So when you see things like that, it gets close to earnings, this thing is starting to trade sideways or not, lose a little bit of volatility. That's because everybody's waiting on news. They're waiting to see how to position themselves. So when Apple reports, people can already put in their sell order. They can they can put in their buy orders or whatever they need to do. They're waiting on news to see how they want to position themselves, and me as well. So what I noticed here in Apple is that the low was 89, but I want to tell you guys that when I was holding Berkshire Hathaway B-class shares back when it was at $89, the whole time I was in school, or during the semester, I was just thinking, I was saying, why doesn't Warren Buffett just buy Apple at $100, or buy Apple? So a couple months go on, and I'm in Berkshire Hathaway, and all of a sudden Warren Buffett buys Apple at $100, and I'm saying to myself, you know what? He might be seeing what I'm seeing, but Apple is a very good company, a very credible company. But we're gonna look at the technicals here, and we're gonna take some profits off of the table if it does break below 120. So we cannot be emotionally caught up in the stock. We want to take some profits, and we want to secure some gains. But if the stock continues to run, if it continues to make all-time highs, we're going to see Apple move beautifully. We're going to see accounts move up beautifully. So this is what it's all about. I mean, we can get emotionally tied into a stock, but that usually lets you, it leaves you acceptable to lose money. But if we want to trade technicals, this is where you start to secure in gains. You start to make more money than you did when you were just emotionally trading. So I really like Apple. That's emotion. But Apple is overbought. That's technical. So we have to go by the technicals if we want to make money. If we really don't care about making money, we can go by emotionals. But if we want to make money, we want to secure some gains, we have to go by the technicals. The technicals are saying it's overbought. So if it breaks below the line that I have, or the order that I have, I'm going to sell it and reposition myself to where it's going to be profitable for me once again to jump back into this stock. But other than that, guys, I'll post more videos. If you guys have any stocks you want me to take a look at, hit me up on Twitter. Just comment on the video. But I will not just do big cap stops. I will do penny stocks as well. So if you want to shoot me a penny stock, you want me to take a look at it, please send it to me. Please comment on the video, and I'll take a look at it for you guys and post it on my channel. So take care, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribing, like the video, and I would say look for long-term investments. All right, guys.